This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 12th of April. I'm James Spann. After a chilly start this morning, we'll start to warm up nicely in coming days. We'll check out some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the insane hour of 5 a.m. That's our Coleman Skycam. They're sitting at 34 degrees. Wow, coldest morning since March the 10th. That's US 278 down below. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam. They are at 38 degrees over in West Alabama. And Haleyville at 33 up in Winston County in northwest Alabama. The coldest spot I can find as I do this update, Black Creek, northeast of Gadsden. They're at 29 early this morning. So little blackberry winter. The old April cold snap we almost always have every year. Around the nation, there's your high amplitude pattern. Trough ridge trough, the trough over the east helping to pull down the colder air, and the trough out west will set the stage for some severe weather issues for the southern plains in coming days. Check the watch warning map. It's a freeze issue for much of the east. Frost down into Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina. And that is certainly the weather headline. But later today, there could be some severe weather again out there in that old famous West Texas dry line. The standard slight risk all the way from near the Davis Mountains up to southwestern Nebraska. Tomorrow, standard slight risk from near Childress, Texas to Des Moines, Iowa. And oh boy, look at day 3. I don't know if I have ever seen a moderate risk on a day 3 before. It's probably happened, I just can't remember, but that could be a red letter day for Oklahoma and Kansas. This is Saturday. And look at the probabilities on day 3. Goodness. That's almost a 50-50 chance of severe weather within 25 miles of a given point in through there. And already the guys at SPC are talking potential for long-track violent tornadoes. So that will be, needless to say, a day where the chasers will be out in full force. And again, that's Saturday. And then Sunday, which is day 4, a risk of severe weather from near Waco and Dallas-Fort Worth up to almost St. Louis and Jefferson City and Columbia, Missouri. But around here, we just stay dry for a while. This is the rain for the next 5 days, showing nothing thanks to that good old southeastern ridge. It'll pretty much keep us high and dry. This is valid through Monday evening of next week. Here's the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Trough beginning to move away. Just a beautiful day today. Both the NAM and the GFS are showing 68 with sunshine in full supply. Tomorrow, now early in the day, we'll be in the 40s, but some of those colder valleys could see a little bit of frost up in northeast Alabama with upper 30s maybe, but just gorgeous. Highs in the mid to upper 70s with a sunny sky. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, looking A-OK. The high close to 80, and the sky will stay mostly sunny. Sunday, humidity values come up a little bit, the high close to 80, still mostly sunny. Showers and storms stay off to the west, and Monday, the trough in the west begins to lift out. The ridge begins to suppress a little bit, but still we're dry. Showers and storms are west of the state, and finally on Tuesday, the band of showers and thunderstorms eases in here, but severe weather not looking especially likely. The surface low is weakening as well to the north. Dynamic support not all that impressive. Instability values not all that impressive. So again, for now, we're just not overwhelmed with the severe weather potential. But as always, you have to watch those, and we'll do that as it gets closer. Wednesday, the rain moves out. The sky begins to clear. Turns slightly cooler, but not much. And there's a week from today, Thursday of next week, that would be sunny and pleasant with a high in the upper 70s. Let's check the end of the forecast. April 27th. Wow, the year anniversary of a generational tornado outbreak. And look at the trough to the west. Now, come on now, we don't need that. That would suggest showers and thunderstorms here. And look at the cold air coming in behind that. But I remind everybody, this is in the land of voodoo. There's no specific skill in a forecast out here. We show you this just because we're looking for trends, and quite frankly, there isn't one. We've seen all kind of different looks out here. But again, the last thing we need is a stormy day on that day because so many events are planned around here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News via TV or the live stream at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.